Rando is here tonight, and it's getting dark, and it's super hot. So why not do a demo from Great Grizzly Fireworks? These are called Premium Willow Shell Silvertail. I actually got these last year, and you can see the price. No idea what they cost this year, but you can see here, right? Here's the shell box. And let me show you. I'm going to open it up here. Right, so I'll take that off, put it over yonder. Here we go. Comes with a nice tube. There we go, tubey. Right? It's pretty thick. It's pretty heavy, and it's made very, very well. So you can see here, first of all, the logo is great. And then here are the ball shells. So take a look here. They tell you how to put them in, which is good. I guess it's good for some people that may not be aware, but hey, so listen, we're going to wait till it gets a little bit darker. Let's knock off a few of these. Let me let you know, these are flippin' loud. All right, get ready. Off to the, you say it. That's right, Launchpad. Yeah. All right, so listen, we got it all set up at the Launchpad, and I told you we were going to wait until it's dark, but I told a fib. Let's go ahead and do it now. It's quiet. It's going to make some noise. All right, now it's dark. Let's go ahead and do one more shell.